Windows store your files and folders in a very easy way. My documents, my pictures, my music and my videos are the 4 main folders in which Windows saves your files by default. File. File is a collection of data or information that has a name. There are many different types of files: document files, text files, program files, directory files, and so on. Just like you have a name and a surname, a file has also a primary and a secondary name, separated by a dot. For example, a letter written in MS Word could be saved as letter.doc. Folder. Just like a file cabinet in the school or in home, the computer also stores many files. There are thousands of files in your computer. Instead of dumping every file in your computer's hard drive, you can arrange them into folders. Most folders contain files. Some folders contain additional folders, which we called subfolders. Step 1. Click on Start to display the Start menu. Step 2. Click on My Documents to view your documents. Step 3. My Documents window appears. This folder is useful for storing documents such as letters, reports, and memos. Step 4. My Documents folder also contains My Music, My Pictures, and My Videos folders. Step 5. Step 5. This area displays options you can select to perform some file and folder tasks. Step 6. When you finish viewing the contents of the My Documents folder, click Cross to close the window. Step 1. Click on Start button to display the Start menu. Step 2. Click on My Computer to view the contents of your computer. My Computer window appears. Step 3. The folders in this area contain files that all users set up on your computer can access. Step 4. The items in this area represent your hard drive, floppy drive, CD-ROM drive, and any other drives available on your computer. Step 5. To display the contents of a drive or folder, double-click the item. Step 6. The contents of the drive or the folder you selected appear. If the contents of the drive you selected do not appear, click Show the contents of this folder in the window. Step 7. This area displays options that you can select to perform common tasks and access commonly used locations on your computer. The available options depend on the selected items. To continue browsing through the contents of your computer, you can double-click a folder or a file to display its contents. Step 1. Click on View menu to change the view of the files and the folders in a window. A bullet appears beside the current view of the files and the folders. Step 2. Click the way you want to view the files and folders.
End of movie.
Step 1. Click on Start button and display the Start menu. Step 2. Click on All Programs to view a list of the programs on your computer. Step 3. Click on Accessories. Step 4. Click on Windows Explorer. A window appears. Step 5. Left pane displays the organization of the folders on your computer. A folder displaying a plus sign contains hidden folders. Step 6. To display the hidden folders within a folder, click the plus sign beside the folder. Step 7. The hidden folders appear. Step 8. The plus sign beside the folder changes to a minus sign. This indicates that all the folders within the folder are displayed. You can click the minus sign to once again hide the folders within the folder. Step 9. To display the contents of a folder, click the name of the folder. Step 10. Right pane displays the contents of the folder. Step 11. When you finish using Windows Explorer, click Cross to close the window. Step 1. Click the file you want to select. The file is highlighted. Step 2. If you want to display the information about the file, click on Details. Step 3. Information about the file appears, including the file type and the date and time the file was last changed. Step 1. Click the first file you want to select. Step 2. Press and hold down the Shift key by dragging the mouse till the last file you want to select. Step 1. Click the file you want to select. Step 2. Press and hold down the Control key till you click each file you want to select. Step 1. Click on Edit menu to select all the files and the folders in a window. Step 2. Click on Select All. All files and folders will get selected. You can also press Ctrl plus A keys together to select all the files and folders in a window. Step 1. Display the contents of the folder where you want to create a new file. Step 2. Click on File menu. Step 3. Click on New option. Step 4. Click the type of file you want to create. The new file appears with a temporary name. Step 5. Type a name for the new file and then press the Enter key. A file name cannot contain the // colon, star, question mark, double quotes, less than or greater than characters. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area on your desktop. A menu appears. Step 2. Click on New. Step 3. Click the type of file you want to create. Step 4. Type a name for the new file and then press Enter key. Step 1. Display the contents of the folder where you want to create a new folder. Step 2. Click on File menu. Step 3. Click on New option. Step 4. Click on Folder option. The new folder appears with a temporary name. Step 5. Type a name for the new folder and then press Enter key. A folder name cannot contain the // colon, star, question mark, double quotes, less than or greater than characters. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area on your desktop. A menu appears. Step 2. Click on New menu. Step 3. Click on Folder option. A new folder appears, displaying a temporary name. Step 4. Type a name for the new folder and then press Enter key. Step 1. Double-click the file you want to open. Step 2. The file opens. Now you can review and make changes to the file. Step 3. When you finish working with the file, click on Close button to close the file. Step 1. Click the file you want to delete. Step 2. Click on Delete this file. The Confirm File Delete dialog box appears. Step 3. Click on Yes to delete the file or files. You can delete a folder in the same way you delete a file. Please note that when you delete a folder, all the files in that folder will be deleted. Step 1. Click the file you want to move. To move more than one file at once, select all the files you want to move. Step 2. Click on Move this file. If you have selected multiple files, click Move the selected items in Step 2. Move Items dialog box appears. This dialog box displays the location where you can move the files. A location displaying a plus sign contains hidden items. To display the hidden items within a location, click the plus sign beside the location. Plus changes to minus. Step 3. Click the location where you want to move the files. Step 4. Click Move to move the file. The file moves to the selected location in your computer. The file disappears from its original location. 1. Click the file you want to copy. To copy more than one file at once, select all the files you want to copy. Step 2. Click on Copy this file. If you have selected multiple files, click Copy the selected items in Step 2. The Copy Items dialog box appears. This area displays the locations where you can copy the files. A location displaying a plus sign contains hidden items. To display the hidden items within the location, click the plus sign beside the location. Plus changes to minus. Step 3. Click the location where you want to copy the files. Step 4. Click Copy to copy the files. The file is copied to the selected location in your computer. The original file remains at its original location too.